Welcome back. We are here today for our workshop all about learning our letter sounds and using movements to help us. Now, what do we do at the start of every workshop? That's right, we need to warm our bodies up. So rub your hands together really fast until you can feel the heat between your hands. And then we're going to take that and travel that up our arm. Good, and the other arm. Into our shoulders. Across our chest. Down to our tummies. Round to our backs. Down to our bottoms. All the way down the front of our legs. Don't forget the back. And the feet. Good job. We're going to take a big stretch up. Touch your hands at the top and then breathe out. Breathe in. Touch and down. Once more. And down. I want you to shake one arm for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the other arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then one leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. And the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2s. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You guessed it. 1s. 1, 1, 1, 1. We roll our arms down and say funky. And then you're going to explode up and shout chicken. Wow. Good. Are we ready? Follow along. Don't worry if you've not got it. Just follow along. Are we ready? Off we go. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Funky chicken. Nice. Okay, everybody. I've got my cards here to help me. Let's see which one we choose today. Let's shuffle. Is it S? That's right, it's S. And this one is a seesaw. I'm going to flip my card over today because I have Sammy Snake here to help us with our dancing. We have to be very careful when we're dancing because we might have other people around us. We might have obstacle around us. So make sure you're looking around your own space and make sure you're safe. So Sammy Snake. Snakes slither on the ground. And they might slither really slowly, depending on what they're doing. So can we go and slither around our space? You might do your hissing noises to help you. Good job, everybody. Well done. That was our seesaw and snake. Good job. Let's see what cards we have left. Are we ready? What is this sound? That's right, if you said duh for dog. Good job. I'm gonna flip over my card because I have a duh. What do I have here? Dinosaur, that's right, dinosaur. And I thought we could do some great big dinosaur moves. Does that sound like a good idea? Excellent. So, dinosaurs are big. Dinosaurs have great big claws. They might walk on 2 legs. They also might walk on 4 legs, or they might fly through the air. So you can choose what dinosaur you are today. Are we ready? Let's go. Well done, everybody. That was our D for dog and dinosaur. Good job. I only have 1 card left today, and it's this. What letter sound is this? This little picture here might give you a clue. Is it mouse? Is it mouse? And monkey. That's right, we have a mouse and we have a monkey. Now I thought, seeing as those animals can really help us with our dancing, you can choose. You can choose whether you're a mouse. You can choose whether you're a monkey. You could be a mouse and then change into a monkey. It's entirely up to you. I'm going to start with my monkey moves. Everybody. That was all. Thank you for joining in with me. Let's finish with a mouse down so we can stretch our monkey. Okay. Good. So today we had and down. And well done. And down. Good. Let's circle our shoulders round. 1. And the other way. Good. Let's circle our chest round, so we're going to go round. Good. Round one way. And then round the other way. Good. Hands on your hips. Let's do our hips. We circle one way. And the other way. Circle our knees this time, round 1. And the other way. Circle our knees this time, round 1. You're going to take a nice big balance. Hold your hands out to help you. Circle your ankle around one way and the other way. Big stretch out, point your toes. Good. And swap legs. Circle one. And the other way. Stretch the leg, point the toes. Good. Really good balance. Well done. Last big stretch. And down. Good. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Well done. I hope that you had fun today with me. I hope you had a chance to move your bodies, and I hope to see you very, very soon. Bye everyone.